Hello, today we will be designing this bracket here. Please take a screenshot of this and we'll get started. All right, I have OnShape here. This is a free subscription of OnShape. I'm gonna go to Create, Document, Homework 6. And we are going to build this on the top view right here. So we can hide this by left click, and we're gonna hit Y to hide those. And let's get on our top view. All right, middle mouse button, hold that down, does a pan. Right mouse button does a rotation, and then the scroll wheel does a zoom. Okay. All right. So sketch on top, and then we're gonna click on rectangle here, and we're gonna build it 2.5 inches by 1.5, just approximate here. And now we hit D for dimension, 1.5 inch. It's D for dimension to get on that again. If you accidentally click, it sometimes goofs up. Anyway, D for dimension. There we go, 2.5. Okay, so now we got to build a square here, build a rectangle here. And this is 1 inch from the side. So D, go here to here, 1, enter. Okay, and then the width of it is 0.5 inch. Okay, and then we got 3 circles. So we can create the circles now. So we're going to create circle number 1. And these are 1/4 inch circles. D for dimension. So 0.25. Let's locate these. 0.375. 0.375. Okay. It is totally constrained. As you can see, everything is black. If it's blue, it is not constrained. So, all right. So we're going to do the next circle, and we're going to hover over that circle right there. We'll see the dotted line, and that shows you that it's going to be perfectly vertical. Click there. Click D. We're going to get dimension 0.25, and then we will locate this from this back wall here to here, and that is 1.125. Okay. Now let's choose the last circle, and we can hover over this guy and then just drag it, and you see the dotted line. That's what we want to see. D 0.25, and then we gotta locate it. So distance from here to here is 1.75. Double click if you made a mistake. 1.75, it fixes it right there. All right, so now if we want, we can add our blends here, but I'll do that in the next step. So let's finish this sketch. I'm gonna click the green check. Now we're going to do an extrusion, and we're going to rotate this slightly. Let's do an extrusion, but we want to extrude that way. So, and we can flip it by doing this, and we want to extrude this 0.25. Okay, green check. Now our sketch disappears. All we got to do is click on our sketch, little eyeball, and the sketch pops back. All right, so now we're going to grab this right here, and we're going to extrude it up. So grab extrude, grab that guy. He's going to go up 1.5 inch. Okay, and it automatically united it. We can see that it solid add, and it merged with part 1. Okay, so that's fine, that's good. Now we got to create a diameter 0.5 in here. So let's create a sketch on this surface right here. Go to circle, D for dimension 0.5. Now we're going to dimension it from the side wall 0.5, dimension from the top wall 0.5. Finish. Go to extrude. We can take this and we can remove it. Solid, remove, and doesn't matter the depth. We can, as long as it's going through, we're fine. Okay, automatically did it. So let's go now to fillet, and on the fillet we want to go with a radius of 0.5. We're going to click on this edge only, not that edge. Shift and click it to undo that. There we go. Click green check. That's okay. So now we gotta put a couple rounds on here and here. So those are 0.375 rounds. Okay. And now we want to put a round right there, a fillet in that edge right there, and we want this to be 0.5. Okay, we can click on this to hide, click Y, click on the sketch eyeball to hide that one, and we can get into an isometric view now. Okay, that should be, the model should be complete now. So now let's go to drafting, let's do a drawing, create drawing, ANSI 8 inch, okay. Let's grab part 1, just click on that, and then we will throw this down here. I'm going to throw a view off of here, we clicked on there, and now we're going to drag this up. Now we want to click over here to insert view, front, isometric, and we'll throw an isometric view over here. Alright, let's hit D for dimension. Let's start dimensioning this guy. Here to here, 1.5. Here to here, 0.5. Here to here, 2.5. Okay. I'm comparing it to the drawing each time I look at I make a dimension. Alright, so now, and if you want to add, you can double click on this guy. We can put 3x. Click off. That does it. If you want it in front of it, you're going to have to put it here. 3x here. Get rid of that. Okay, left click gets out of that. And then we got 2x here. Okay, now we want to dimension, D for dimension, click that guy. And we need a distance here, here to here. And last one is 0.5. Escape out of that, D for dimension again, here to here, 0.5. Alright, let's tidy it up. Escape to get out of the dimension. Let's pull this up, let's pull this out, make it look a little pretty. No dimensions are touching each other. We have plenty of space around here. I don't like that, so I gotta adjust this back up. There we go, that's fine. We could actually adjust this up a little more. Let's cover out the outside. We should see the outside. There it is. We want to click on that and drag that up a little bit. This one, drag it up a little bit. All right, that adjusts. All right, there we go. That concludes our video for today. Thanks for watching.